Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can install Play Store on PC. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC or laptop and search for BlueStacks. Open the official website and click on the download button at the front. The download will automatically get started. After it completes, go to the download location and run it. Install the BlueStacks application completely, open it, and you will see this type of homepage. Here, click on the Play Store tile at the top, and you can see that there is a dedicated search bar available. Simply search for any app inside it, and you can see the Play Store is working completely fine. And that's how you can install Play Store on laptop PC. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.